Hi, I'm Jason. I'm a registered massage therapist and personal trainer with nearly 2 decades of experience. My lifelong passion for sports and fitness has led me to share some special knowledge with you today. I want to share some knowledge about sports recovery from training after your workout. First, recovery is more important than training, as recovery dictates your performance. So today I'm going to share with you the best muscle recovery point on the body. It's called the Gallbladder 34, and it's a primary point for muscle recovery post-workout. Gallbladder 34 is easy to find. It's 4 fingers under your patella, 2 fingers laterally. You have a posterior and anterior portion of it, and you slide the Dolphin Neurostim unit up under the head of it, and you hold it for 30 to 60 seconds on both legs. Do this treatment 30 minutes after your workout, and you'll have little to no muscle soreness the next day.